Welcome to Coin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Powermade. Powermade.io is their website, and it is a very fresh, a very new project on the crypto sky. And let's have a look what exactly they offer us. First of all, in 6 days and 6 hours we have the official launch on Pink Sale. There's the IDO and the token you can buy. What is the Powermade? The Powermade DAO is composed by many professionals sharing the same vision. Create an ecosystem of different products and services with an academy as central point that can be used by everyone to reach their knowledge and financial freedom. Our ecosystem will leverage cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, NFTs, and network marketing, enabling new ways to learn and make business online. The Powermade token PVD is a glue inside our ecosystem. It's a way to pay for goods and services, obtain discounts, enable benefits, and participate in the DAO governance. It can be used inside different DeFi services, like the yield farming and the staking, that will generate rewards to our token holders and liquidity provider. And for sure they have a very nice white paper. It's a 52-sider, so I don't want to bore you with this much details, but guys, you can see if someone write down 52 sides, he show a lot of serious interest that his project will be work. So if you want to know all the details about this token, about this project, feel free to read all the 52 sides, but I will not do it in this video right now. Feel free, 52 sides, it's very easy, understandable, written down on every side, but let's head forward on their website. Tokenomics and utility. Powermade is a deflationary utility token with an interesting tokenomics and many use cases within the Powermade DAO products and services. We have an integrated tokenomics, deflationary economy, Bitcoin reflection. That means a part of the transaction tax will be used to reward our holders with wrapped Bitcoins. A minimum of 2000 PVD is needed to receive the reflection directly in their wallet and send every time a transaction is made 2% tax. Our loyal holders that will keep the PVD in the wallet will receive the king cryptocurrency that everyone knows. This is Bitcoin. Discounts everywhere. Go shopping and sell goods, farming and staking. So you can see there are many ways to earn money, to earn crypto with Powermade. Reach the goals. The PVD tokens will be used to reward our users when they reach some goals inside our ecosystem and our academy. Completing courses, passing exams, reach network marketing goals. There will be also many contests, competitions, raffles to keep our community happy and active. So you can see there are many things, infinite possibilities. All the future DAO initiatives, products and services will leverage the PVD token in some way, creating utility and using it as a glue in the ecosystem. We will use it also for the mini DAOs, exclusive managed funds portfolios operated by separated DAOs interconnected with the Powermade ecosystem. And yes, here are the details. It is on the Binance Smart Chain, this token. It is a BEP20 token. Maximum supply, it's 14 million. So it is very limited compared to other tokens. And yes, guys, if you don't want to be the last, then be the first and buy this token as soon as possible. token supply and disruption. You can see here the seed round 7.1%, whitelist sale, staking and farming, and so on. You can read these details by yourself. Round of sales, and yes, their roadmap. White paper here has more details, the pitch and the audit review. So it is double checked, this project, by others. That means it is a real project, and it is a project where you can invest and be a part of it in 6 days and 6 hours on pink sale. For sure, they are on Twitter with 1,600 followers right now and over 1,500 on Telegram. And yes, feel free to connect them on Twitter, on Telegram. Ask everything you want to ask. Ask them everything you have to ask to be a part of it, to be a part of Powermade, the next community which can go 100x or 1000x. Feel free, write down in the description what you think about this project. Let me know. Maybe leave me a like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more projects like this, the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. And yes, by the way, you have here also a calculator, exchange cryptos, and here's the certificate that is already checked. The chain exists, and you can buy this token on the smart chain, Binance Smart Chain, in 6 days. There's the start. Don't miss it. Let me know what you think about this project, guys. Write it down under the video into the comments, and I will put every link, every important link down under the video into the description, that you can go directly on their Twitter account, directly on their Telegram, or directly buy your PVD token right now. Guys, I wish you all the very best profits with Powermade token, and until next video, see you later, alligator. Bye.